Velkommen til Katrinelund, en slægtsgård på Sydmors.
Welcome to Katrinelund, a family farm at the southern end of the island of Mors, where we have been breeding horses for generations. We run a training and sales center, as well as a stallion station, so breeding and sport grows up in higher cohesion.
Jeg fodrer selv hver morgen, og derfor...
Every morning I feed the horses myself, and therefore I have knowledge of the horses' growth, but also as individuals, their temper, and their behavior. We produce our own feed, and as a result, I know they have been raised with common sense. We break most of the horses in here, and that's how we are able to find each horse's qualities, and we educate them in jumping and dressage. Here at Katrinelund, we have employed a riding master in both jumping and dressage, and to keep the professionalism and quality at the top, we hold courses with other top riders and masters coming from all over the world. As we know all the horses very well here at Katrinelund, it gives us the possibility finding the best match between horse and rider. We want to be open about horse trading, so we give customers all the opportunities to find information on the horses if they wish. We also offer our customers that they can get course or training sessions after the deal has been completed. Happy and satisfied customers motivate us.